Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Summer TV. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-apply ng credit card sa Metrobank through online. So let's say magsasubmit tayo ng ating application through online sa Metrobank. Okay, so kahit hindi na tayo pupunta dun sa Metrobank, so pwede tayo makasubmit ng ating credit card application. Okay, so first open natin itong Chrome. Okay, so ayan, ilalagay ko yung link dito guys. Ika-copy paste natin yung link. Ayan. Okay. So, yung link i-comment ko lang dun sa ibaba kung hindi nyo mahanap sa Google. So, ilalagay ko lang dun sa description below or di kaya dun sa comment section. Okay. So, ayan. So, may katanungan dito. Are you an existing Metrobank client? So, kung meron na tayong deposit account, so select lang natin itong yes, I have a Metrobank deposit account. Ayan. So since wala pa tayo, so let's say dito tayo sa no, I am not an existing Metrobank client, so first time natin. So ayan. So may katanungan din dito kung meron na kayong credit card. So siyempre wala pa, so ngayon pa lang tayo mag-a-apply. So ayan, pwede tayo pumili dito sa taas. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, select lang natin yan kung saan dyan ang gusto natin. So, let's say itong Titanium Mastercard. So, ayan. No, I am not an existing Metrobank. So, select natin yan. Okay. So, i-fill up natin ito guys. Okay, so by the way pala guys, kailangan meron kayong monthly na income with the minimum of 15,000 pesos a month. So kailangan meron tayong 15,000 a month na kinikita bago tayo maka-apply dito. Okay. So ayan, ilalagay natin dito yung details natin. Okay, so lahat ng may asterisk dyan guys, ibig sabihin mandatory, so kailangan natin lagyan ng details. Okay. Ilalagay natin dito yung active email natin. Active mobile number. Ayan. Then yung date of birth natin. Okay. So, ilalagay natin ngayon yung date of birth natin. Okay. Ayan. Then, yung ID natin. So, let's say yung ating TIN. So, ilalagay natin ngayon yung TIN number natin dito. Okay. So, ayan. Then, agree lang tayo. Then, next. Okay. So, kulang yung ating TIN ng isang digit. Kailangan 9 digit siya guys. Okay, so ayan. Then next. Okay, so wait lang natin. Okay, so ayan. I am Rodin, your online reference number, yung ORN, can be viewed below. You may use this number to check the status of your application. Okay? So, screenshot lang natin ito or i-copy natin yung ating ORN o yung online reference number kasi dyan natin mamamonitor kung ano na yung status ng ating application. Okay? So, i-copy lang natin. Okay? So, ngayon, ipipill up natin ito ulit, guys. Yung personal details. Okay, so home address. Ayan. So again, this is sample only guys. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Ayan. So let's say Metro Manila. Then, Taguig. Okay, so Maharlika tayo. Ayan, Maharlika Village. Ayan. Yung zip code. Okay, so yung other information, yung telephone number guys, or yung home phone number. Okay. So, kahit ano na lang ilagay natin dito. So, ilagay ko yung number ng office namin dati. Okay, so ayan. Then, gender. Okay. So, place of birth. Ano yung nakalagay dun sa birth certificate. Ayan. Then, pag okay na, next lang natin. Okay, so sumobra. Next lang natin. Okay. So, ngayon, dito tayo sa employment details. So, source of funds, employed. Kung employed tayo, employed yung ilagay natin dito. Ayan. So, occupation. Anong position natin, guys? Pwede rin natin select dito yung retired, others, self-employed, or yung unemployed. Okay. So, since employed tayo, so ilagay natin dyan, employed. Okay. So, employment status, merong regular, project-based. Ayan. Pipili lang tayo dyan. Okay. So, occupation. Data entry. So, employer kung saan tayo nag-work or kung sino yung boss natin. Ayan. Then, industry. Anong industry siya? So, select natin dito. Information. So, ilagay natin yung phone number dito. Ayan. Then, business email. Ayan. So, 3 years. So, yung total ng works natin. So, let's say 6 years. So, yung years working with the present employer. So, let's say 3 years. Ayan. Then, gross monthly income. Let's say 18. Ayan. Okay. So, employer address. Lagay ko na lang yung sa office namin. Ayan. Makati, San Isidro. Ayan, San Isidro. Zip code. So, ayan. Then, next lang. Okay, so wait lang natin. Okay, so ayan. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa additional information. Okay. So, check natin yung name to appear on card. So, ayan, preferred delivery address o home. Yung address kung saan i-deliver yung ating card. So, home. Okay, so personal email tayo. Ayan. So, no lang. So, no. Then, upload my documents. Okay, so select ID tayo. So, let's say passport. Then, take a photo. Ayan. Okay. Then, okay lang natin. Okay. So, ayan. Thank you, Amrodin. You have successfully completed your credit card application. We will process this within 5 to 7 business days. To check the status of your application, you may send an email to customerservice@metrobankcard.com and provide your online reference number. You may also call our customer service hotline. So, ayan yung number nila. So, kung gusto natin alamin yung ating status ng ating application. So, ito yung online reference number natin sa taas, guys. Okay, so ayan. So, screenshot lang natin if ever na gusto natin alamin yung status. So, pwede natin i-send dun sa customer service at metrobank.com, metrobankcard.com yung ating reference number para ma-check natin kung approved na ba or kung ano na yung status ng ating application for credit card, okay? So, ganun lang kadali, guys. So, again, sana makatulong ito sa inyo. So, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Amr TV for the latest videos na aking i-upload. Sukran and wassalam.